On the last video that I showed you guys, I did have an error pop up, and if you have that error screen that will pop up, all you need to do is exit out of Scratch by clicking this, and then go ahead and get back into Scratch um, by typing it in again, and mine just popped up right here at this screen. Alright, so once you're logged into Scratch, we're going to go ahead and create something. So we're going to come over here to this button right here and hit create. And if you have it popped up where it says click to enable Adobe Flash, just click on this and allow. And then you'll have this up on your screen. So when it first opens up, you're going to see where it gives you like a character here, and that's pretty much automatic. It just shows up this character here. So we're just going to come down here and click here, and we're going to right click and choose delete. And that will take out everything there so that we can go ahead and start creating our own. So what we just got done deleting were called sprites, and either you can do a new sprite, or you can upload one from the library. So if you click on here, there's a bunch in here that you could choose from. You can, let me get out of this screen here, you can go and draw one. You can go and upload one from a sprite file that you find on the internet, or you can take a picture and put one up there, which would be really sweet. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and do a sprite from scratch using the paintbrush. So once you click on the paintbrush here, you're going to come over into this section here and you'll start doing your drawing. So to be honest, I am basically looking at all of this information right now that was shared with me from another teacher at Harbor Lights. So I am getting some information and some ideas from her and sharing it with you. So I do like to pass on what I find. So what we need to do first is we're going to go and create our sprite, and then we're going to come up here and start adding our costumes. So we'll have this whole thing get filled up. So we're going to click on the circle, and you can see where you could have a circle solid or a circle hollowed. We're going to want the one that's hollowed. And when you come over to here to make it, if you hold the shift key down, it will make a perfect circle. So you want to make sure you have the shift key held down, and then you let go, and you can see how it is perfect. Again, that's holding the shift key down and then dragging out the circle. So what I'm going to do now is that I have this perfect circle here, which is going to be the head. All I have to do is come over here and click on this, and it'll put it over here in my spot here. Next, we're going to make a smaller circle, which is going to be the eye, because this is going to be the head. So we'll click here, click on this. I'm going to make a smaller one right here. And you notice that time I didn't hold the shift key. So, oops. So let's try it again. Way better. Now this time I'm going to go and put it over here as well. So click here. There it is. And I'm going to go on to the next part. So once you have done these two items, go ahead and go on to the next movie.